Hi there! If you're wondering how to manually add a workout to fitness app on iPhone, then you're in the right place. First thing first, find and open Health app on your device. Now, on the bottom of the screen, choose section Browse and search for the workouts. Great! After that, if you have some data here, you'll see it in the section. But to be able to manually add a workout to fitness app, we need to go ahead and click this option, Add Data. After that, choose your activity type. So as you can see, there are a lot of options from which you can choose. Then you can manually enter calories burned, and also when it starts and ends. So let's here pick time and tap Add. After that, it will be immediately added to the fitness app and you will receive this notification and you'll be able to find this type of data in your fitness app. So as you can see, I got sessions, yoga, 500 calories, just the same info we entered right now. It will be also shown in highlights, so you can check it from here, and then if needed, add some data again. For example, in running, we can also add distance. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.